I began photographing the landscape as a way to engage with the natural environment. Days out on the mountains, exploring the lochs and glens, weather and light, capturing fleeting moments. This was conventional landscape photography. With the addition of a drone, I was able to shift perspective, capture images that were previously out of reach. Looking straight down, I began to notice patterns and textures, also the marks of human activity, some old, some new. Then came the lockdowns, restricting everyone to their local area. For me, this was rural Perthshire. I began photographing the surrounding fields, looking for geometry, finding minimalism, repetition, and signs of the changing seasons. On returning to the hills, the landscape looked different. Where I'd once seen natural landscapes, I now saw the mark of human activity everywhere. I realised my photography wasn't showing what I was seeing, that traditional landscape photography was only telling part of the story. I began pairing aerial landscapes with a straight-down view at the same location. Together, they seemed to offer a more complete picture. They spoke of land use rather than landscapes, of glens shaped by changing demands for resources, of our need for energy and the pursuit of leisure, our impact on habitats managed for sport, but also signs of regeneration, looking beyond traditional landscape photography to reveal what lies beneath.